Does your overlay video have an ugly black background blocking your main video? Do not worry. In this quick tutorial, you will learn how to remove a black background in CapCut Mobile in just a few simple taps. First, open your main video project. Tap on Overlay at the bottom toolbar and tap on Add Overlay to import your clip. Select your clip from your gallery and adjust its size on the screen. Now, select your overlay clip on the timeline, scroll the bottom toolbar, and tap on Blend or Splice. Here, simply tap on Filter or Screen. CapCut will instantly delete the black background, leaving only the bright glowing effect. Here is a secret pro tip. If you still see faint dark edges on your video, tap on Adjust and increase the contrast slider slightly. This erases all remaining dark shadows and makes your effect super clear. Now, tap on the check mark and press play to review your clean video overlay. To continue learning from our full CapCut Mobile course, check the description box below.